Hello everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hyram. I am continuing my in-store skincare experience, and this time I am at Marshall's, the one and only Marshall's, where you can get really good discounted products, and I'm interested to see if I'm able to build an entire skincare routine. So let's get searching. You guys, look at this bargain I found. 4 packs of holiday makeup wipes for the price of 1. I'm just itching to buy it. They just need to ban this entire shelf. Oh man, okay, I'm done with that. You guys, I found the skincare aisle, and I have to say, this looks eerily similar to the selection at TJ Maxx. I wonder if Marshalls and TJ Maxx are owned by the same company, because this legit looks like the same skincare selection, but I'm not gonna let that stop me from getting skincare products. So first up, let's start with cleanser first. Oh my gosh, okay you guys, they have Skin Fix, and this is the hand repair cream. I love this product. If you're someone who struggles with super dry hands, where they could crack and bleed, you have like eczema, I definitely recommend this one because this is a really good product. $5.99, that is a hell of a good price. I already have one, but I'm so tempted to buy it. Okay, wow, so they even have Kate Somerville products as well. Oh, $13. Jesus Christ. That is a really good price for Kate Somerville. I mean, that's like, what, 70% markdown? Crazy. I'm kind of blown away that they can have prices this low. You guys, oh my god. Not only do they have Korean skincare, but they have Beauty of Joseon, like one of my favorite skincare brands ever. How much is this? $11. A little bit less than the normal one, but oh my god. And I have not used the serum in a while, so I'm definitely gonna get it because I need more of this, and it's a freaking amazing product. Ooh, okay, First Aid Beauty is in the house. This one is $13. Definitely a good price point for First Aid Beauty. Blast from the past, if you guys watched my Ross video, I tried this product out. It's actually like not a bad cleanser. Not like my favorite, but it's definitely not a bad one. Although this one looks like it's been used a little bit. Wow, oh my gosh, I'm really impressed by the Korean skincare they have, because they have the Halaka Honey Ampule Serum. I've never seen this in store before. Like, this is legit from Korea, and it's $7. That's such a good price. Oh, it has fragrance. Shame. Okay, I think I mixed it up with another product. Oh, okay, y'all, they have the in-key list. I want to see which products they have. Mandelic acid treatment, the overnight blemish treatment, tranexamic acid serum. I do love that one. You guys, I feel like I'm in TJ Maxx all over again. They have Paula's Choice in the house, and I've actually never tried this product before. It's the Calm Nourishing Cleanser, and it's perfect because it says it's for oily combination skin. This one is $8, which is so good. I mean, Paula's Choice is not like that expensive, but you're definitely getting a good deal for this size of a cleanser, and Paula's Choice is like the best ingredients out there ever, so I'm stoked to try this. You guys, I have been wanting to try this skincare brand. It's from Korea. Literally, when I was in Korea, I saw this one a bunch of places. It's called Mary and May, and I know I talk a lot of shit about toners, but this one is their AHA PHA toner, which is amazing because I love a good exfoliant, and this one looks really interesting, so I'm stoked to try this product. Dang, I didn't realize we get through this routine so quickly. There's so many good options. Okay, so I'm having trouble finding a moisturizer. They do have like a good selection of moisturizers here, but they pretty much all have fragrance, so I'm trying to find one that's fragrance free. Fingers crossed we'll find it. I also happen to notice that there's not a lot of sunscreens. Actually, none. I haven't seen a single sunscreen, which is troubling, concerning, and very distressing to me. Where is a damn moisturizer? I just need one. Uno moisturizer. Okay, here's one. Natural Outcome, I believe. It doesn't have fragrance in it. It's a Hydra Drench moisturizer with lots of hydrating ingredients, so it might be a little thick for my skin, but honestly, beggars can't be choosers because this is the only fragrance-free moisturizer I can find, so I may go with this one. Okay, yeah, bad news, everyone. I'm not seeing a single sunscreen. It's very much giving TJ Maxx. If y'all watched that video, let me hunt a little for a sunscreen. I know I can find one. Now we're talking. So this looks like it's the Milk Makeup Sunshine SPF 30 sunscreen. I've never heard of this one before. I think this is the clearance area. So, oh, it says it expires in April 2024. You could still use it within this time, but I think that means we found our sunscreen. Oh my god, look at us. Oh shoot, it's a chemical sunscreen. Never mind. Can you imagine I just start digging in here? Okay guys, I have searched up and down every shelf and I have not been able to find a sunscreen. But safe to say that Marshall's is probably not a good sunscreen destination. But I got the goods for the rest of the routine and I can't wait to try them out. Let's go. I got it. I got it. I got it. Woo! I had double my coffee intake today. I'm so sorry for what's about to come. I got the Marshalls products and I am so excited to test them out for you guys. See how good this routine is. Let's get into these products. I'm so excited to start using them. It has been a little while since I filmed that video, so I genuinely do not remember what products I bought. So this is going to be a surprise for both you and I. Let's check it out. First up, I got the Paula's Choice Calm Nourishing Cleanser for normal to oily combination skin. It has been a hot second since I've tried a new Paula's Choice product. I honestly don't know why, because I love this brand so much. But this is going to be interesting because I don't know if I've actually used a Paula's Choice cleanser before. So I'm stoked to test this one out. Okay, so this one is $8 and it has really gentle cleansing agents, glycerin, metafoam seed oil, allantoin, a bunch of other extracts, and it's fragrance free. You know, it's Paula's Choice, they always are. Oh, by the way, all the products I'm using in today's video will be linked in the description box below if you guys do want to check them out. I'm gonna wipe my face and start testing this cleanser out. Ooh, okay, so it's kind of like a milky jelly consistency. I hope it foams up because that is something that is important for me. Okay, it does a little bit. I have to say, I was very pleasantly surprised with my experience walking through Marshalls and looking at the skincare, because if you guys didn't know, I filmed the TJ Maxx video before I went to Marshalls. I highly recommend you check that one out because that was definitely a journey. But when I first got into Marshalls, I was like, oh gosh, this kind of looks exactly the same as TJ Maxx. I don't know if there's going to be a lot of variety. There was more variety. I honestly didn't think you could get much better than TJ Maxx, but I was so impressed at the selection that Marshalls had. And particularly the amount of products that are typically sold at a higher price point that you can get for a discounted rate. I just think it's great and it opens up the skincare world to people who, you know, maybe don't have a lot of money to spend on skincare products. Whew. Honestly, my skin is feeling good. It does not feel too dry at all, which is really nice considering that this cleanser is for more oily to combination skin. And here in Hawaii, the weather has changed a bit. I'm not dripping in sweat every day. I'm so happy about it. Yeah, I really like this cleanser. Like, the experience was awesome. I really enjoyed that. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I'm trying to remember what I got. Oh. Oops. Okay, honestly guys, I completely forgot I got this product. I purchased the First Aid Beauty Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. Now typically I like to do my masks before I cleanse my skin. I like to cleanse my skin afterwards, so oopsie. This one really caught my attention because first off, it's First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty. They have amazing formulas, but they can be a little bit on the pricey side, so finding them at Marshalls, it's like a big ass win, bro. But the reason I'm drawn to this one is the stacked ingredient list. I mean, it has shea butter, cocoa butter, cannabis seed oil, colloidal oatmeal, green tea extract, turmeric, and a bunch of amazing antioxidant ingredients. Like, this is a really good ingredient list, and I believe, yes, it's fragrance free. I'm just gonna slather it on. Ooh, very beautiful consistency, like a thick, rich moisturizer. I don't think it's supposed to be like rubbed in. I think you're just supposed to like spread it on your skin like this. So okay, it definitely, you know what it smells like? It smells like blue lotus oil. I really hope this does not irritate my skin because it is made to like reduce redness and sensitivity, but you never know. I swear there's so many calming products that have irritated the fuck out of my skin. You know what's so funny when it comes to Marshalls? I did not know Marshalls was a thing until like a few years ago, and the only reason I figured it out is because Ala Moana Center, which is like the biggest mall in Hawaii and one of the biggest malls in the US, opened a location there, and everyone was like super excited, and I was like, I don't know what this store is. Like, I've never heard of it. I did not grow up with a Marshalls in my area, and I figured like they would just have clothing and shoes, maybe like houseware, decorative items if you will. Did not expect them to have a beauty section until you guys are actually commenting, requesting me to review Marshalls Beauty, and I was like, hold up, wait a minute, that actually sounds pretty dope. Okay, so looking at my skin, this is pretty well absorbed, and it's been about 15 minutes, so I'm gonna rinse it off and see how my skin feels. Okay, one minor complaint I do have about this product is that it did take a little while to rinse off. Like, I really had to get in there to get it out of my skin. I mean, my skin feels fine. I'm not noticing a huge difference. I mean, the good thing is that my skin doesn't look red. It looks very even toned, which is good. That's not always the case when I use a new product. But I'm not noticing my skin is particularly more moisturized or hydrated than it felt before. It feels pretty much the same as like after I cleanse my skin. I was hoping for a little bit more. At least I don't have to cleanse my skin again. Okay, let's get the next product. I feel like I'm experiencing Christmas, just like tearing off the wrapping paper. Oh, okay, yes, I do remember this one. So this is the Mary and May Vegan Cica Tea Tree AHA BHA Blemish Toner. Okay, you guys know how much I am not a toner person. Not usually my thing. However, this has Cica, tea tree, AHA, and PHA, which are some of my favorite treatment ingredients for the skin, particularly AHA and PHA, because they offer really good exfoliation benefits to the skin. And this ingredient list is like everything I would want in a toner. But what made me most excited about seeing this in Marshall's is that this is a Korean skincare product. So I'm super excited to test it out. This product kind of gives me the vibes of like the Som by Me AHA, BHA, PHA toner, which I really like that one, but I feel like I might enjoy this one even a little more. Let's see how my skin likes this. Okay, yeah, so it smells like it does have an essential oil. It kind of smells like peppermint, but it's very minimal. It's not overpowering or really strong, but so far it feels very lightweight on the skin. Like my skin is really soaking it up and it's not making my skin look too greasy at all, which is a big plus. The brand ingredients and the packaging are kind of giving me like iUnique vibes. Definitely the formula. You guys know it takes a lot to get me to buy a toner. $8 is great for how good this formula is. I like this one. I want to keep using it. This one's a win. So they have a lot of focus on sustainability. The packaging definitely is, but look at this. This is so cool. It has an easy peel tab, so you can easily remove the sticker on the outside and recycle the product, which is amazing. A lot of people don't know that if a product like has a sticker, it won't be able to be recycled. So the fact they made it super easy to just peel off is a huge win. I don't know why I haven't used this brand before. This is awesome. Okay, let's go on to, I don't remember what product I got next. Oh, yes! I was so excited when I saw this product in store, and I have used this product before. I had to buy it because the price was so good. I love this formula. It is Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum with Propolis and Niacinamide. This is one of the very first products I ever used from Beauty of Joseon like years ago. I've always loved their serums. I think they're amazing, and this one particularly is good if you want a little bit of like hydration and moisture for the skin. I mean, Propolis is awesome for providing that deeper nourishment, but it also has niacinamide in it as well. I mean, it has sodium hyaluronate, turmeric, tea tree, Centella asiatica, lotus seed extract. Like Beauty of Joseon can do no wrong in my eyes. And if you've ever used Propolis before, it can feel very heavy on the skin, and I never noticed that with this serum. If you're someone who struggles with dehydration, you want to add a little bit of glow to the skin, this is an awesome formula to test out, and Beauty of Joseon has such good prices, but seeing them at Marshall's, when for so long I've been getting my Beauty of Joseon products shipped from Korea, I mean, it's just great. But yeah, this serum is a win. I know I'm cheating a little bit because I've tried this before, but it's just because I love this brand and this formula so much. All right, I think I have one more product. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, so this one is from a brand I do not know of, and honestly, I had a really hard time finding a moisturizer. It was not easy because the majority of moisturizers that they had a bunch of fragrance. This is the Natural Outcome Hyaluronic Acid and PCA Hydra Drench Moisturizer. The reason this one interested me is first because it was like the only fragrance-free moisturizer I could find. But besides the normal moisturizing ingredients, it has some cool ones like watermelon fruit extract, urea, and PCA. I do like that it has glass packaging, so that's a win. It's not a super thick cream consistency, but it is definitely on the thicker side. Like I know my skin is going to be so shiny after this. Alright, feels nice. It definitely feels like a very simple moisturizer formula. Like I feel like I could pick out 10 different formulas at the drugstore that feel exactly like this. Okay, so first off, looking at my skin, this is not a moisturizer I personally would probably use a lot. It has a sheen to it that just adds a level of greasiness that I know my skin is not really going to love. I already know in 30 minutes I'm going to look so greasy. It's not quite my vibe, but I feel like if you have combination to drier skin, you might enjoy this one. But I don't hate it. It's not bad, and my skin seems to be okay with it. But as for the rest of the products and my experience in Marshall's overall, it was very positive. I had such a great time looking through all the different products. I think they have such a good range, as you saw with this routine. Really affordable, simple formulas, Korean skincare, high price point products that you can get for a good discounted rate. Like they really do have a super good range that far exceeded my expectations, and I'm just gonna be honest, honest, Marshalls has the best selection out of any discount store I've shopped at yet. That is saying something, bitch. If you are wanting to save some money and find some products that you can use just on a faster timetable and still get a great experience, I definitely recommend checking out Marshalls. I thought this was awesome. But what do you guys think? Have you shopped at Marshalls before? What was your experience in the beauty section? I would love to hear down below, and let me know if you guys found some sunscreens too, because I would be very interested to see if maybe they were just out of stock where I was, but they typically have them. I don't know, let me know. And don't forget to comment down below which store you want me to tour next and build a routine from. I love doing this series. I think it's so fun going in store and finding the best picks, and I would love to hear what you guys want to see next. And if you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and to the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.